Hi, welcome back again to Home and Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, you will see several inspiring walk-in closets with luxurious, elegant, satisfying, and enchanting designs that you can use as ideas in 2025.
The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes.
At first, this luxury walk-in wardrobe exudes elegance and charm. A stunning crystal chandelier casts a warm glow, complementing the cream and beige tones. The walls are lined with custom-built shelves and cabinets, illuminated by soft recessed lighting to showcase clothing and accessories. At the center, a plush tufted ottoman sits on an intricate gold and ivory area rug, adding warmth to the sleek wooden floor. A cozy armchair by a large window invites natural light, completing the serene and sophisticated atmosphere. This space is a perfect blend of functionality and opulence, leaving guests in awe of its timeless beauty. Next, this luxurious walk-in closet exudes elegance with its creamy beige tones, gold accents, and intricate paneling. Glass-paneled wardrobes, warmly lit, showcase neatly arranged clothing and accessories, while a plush mauve bench with a gold base invites relaxation. The coffered ceiling adds grandeur, complemented by light wooden flooring for warmth. At the center, a gilded mirror above a refined vanity reflects the room's opulence, adorned with tasteful decor and fresh flowers. Every detail speaks of sophistication, creating a serene and inviting space that leaves a lasting impression on any guest. This walk-in closet exudes luxury with its black and gold palette, sleek shelves, and warm lighting showcasing perfectly organized accessories. A plush black ottoman with gold accents sits atop a soft rug, while a gilded mirror and ornate console table serve as the stunning focal point. The glossy marble floor and textured damask wall add depth and elegance, creating a boutique-like space that feels effortlessly glamorous. This is a combination of a luxury walk-in closet and nature design with a stunning glass dome ceiling that floods the space with light and frames lush outdoor views. Black cabinetry with gold accents and warm lighting showcases perfectly arranged clothing, while a tufted ottoman and sleek seating area add comfort. Herringbone wood floors with gold inlays and a statement chandelier complete the elegant, serene design, leaving guests in awe of its beauty and sophistication. With timeless European elegance, this room captivates with its soft, natural tones and intricately carved wooden cabinetry. The grand mirror, adorned with ornate details, not only enhances the room's regal charm, but also expands the space effortlessly. A vintage table and carefully curated decor lend a romantic touch, completing the scene. Overhead, a crystal chandelier casts a warm glow, illuminating the plush tufted ottoman and creamy beige palette. As you step into this serene sanctuary, every detail whispers refined luxury and envelopes you in a sense of warmth and sophistication. Imagine stepping into a walk-in closet where sophistication and style are woven into every detail. Natural light pours through a central arched window, softening the bold black cabinetry, arched shelves, and vaulted ceiling adorned with intricate floral patterns. A white tufted ottoman and love seat stand in striking contrast to the dark tones, while a patterned rug adds a touch of texture beneath your feet. This walk-in closet is a perfect blend of dramatic elegance and timeless luxury, inviting guests into a refined and intimate haven. Step into a space where luxury and glamour reign supreme. At the heart of this beautiful walk-in closet lies an emerald green tufted sofa, complemented by a matching ottoman and a vibrant purple accent chair. Gold accents on the furniture and display cabinets elevate the elegance, while the black and white marble flooring brings a touch of timeless sophistication. Above, a crystal chandelier casts its glow, illuminating curated fashion displays and lending the space a boutique-like charm. As the owner, you're surrounded by bold colors and refined details, immersed in an opulent atmosphere that feels both stylish and inviting. Step into a circular walk-in closet where luxury meets sophistication. Dark, gold-accented shelving frames the space, showcasing a curated collection of clothing and accessories. At its heart, a round table with a white top and plush circular seating draws your eye. A grand crystal chandelier cascades from the dome ceiling, casting a radiant glow over the opulent finishes. Soft gray rugs add warmth, tying the design together. This space feels like a personal boutique, blending timeless elegance with refined functionality, inviting you to indulge in a luxurious experience. As we step into this walk-in closet that exudes modern luxury and elegance, sleek glass wardrobes, lit by soft purple LED lighting, showcase a curated clothing collection, creating a vibrant glow. At the center, a wooden island with a marble top and glossy black accents serves as a functional workspace and stunning focal point, adorned with fresh white flowers. Floor-to-ceiling mirrors expand the space, while a soft rug adds warmth. A chic vanity in the corner, with warm lighting, invites moments of preparation. Thoughtful design in every detail makes this a sanctuary of refined taste. This walk-in closet feels like a serene boutique or gallery, thoughtfully designed to evoke comfort and admiration. Minimalist elegance blends seamlessly with Moroccan-inspired charm, highlighted by textured black walls contrasting with cream surfaces. Arched doorways frame displays of neutral-toned clothing with bold patterns, while a central black table with sculptural decor anchors the space. Artisanal stools, low benches, and open shelving transform storage into an artistic feature. This walk-in closet is a flawless blend of luxury and practicality. Glass-paneled wardrobes, illuminated by warm lighting, beautifully display an impeccably organized collection of clothing and accessories. The reflective surfaces enhance the space, creating an airy yet intimate ambience. Tufted gray ottomans provide comfort, while cascading crystal pendant lights add a shimmering touch of elegance. Plush rugs and sleek furniture complete the design, exuding sophistication. For a guest, this closet feels like a sanctuary of refined opulence, a true statement of modern luxury and thoughtful design. As you step into this walk-in closet, it feels like a serene sanctuary, grand yet intimate, inviting both relaxation and admiration. Rich blue walls and arched cabinetry set a tone of timeless sophistication, while golden accents add warmth and a touch of luxury. Illuminated shelves showcase clothing as art, perfectly balanced by a large arched window that frames breathtaking mountain views, seamlessly connecting the indoors with nature. A plush blue chaise lounge and matching sofa rest atop a nature-inspired rug, completing the space's tranquil elegance. The walk-in closet that exudes Art Deco elegance with its black and white checkered marble floors and a dazzling crystal chandelier. Rich emerald green walls with gold accents frame the space, while a striking purple and gold gown on a mannequin serves as the centerpiece. Plush purple benches and mirrored walls enhance the luxurious ambience, reflecting light and grandeur. Ornate wooden cabinets with golden handles and soft lighting complete the room's regal and sophisticated design, leaving a lasting impression of opulence. Bathed in natural light, this walk-in closet exudes modern farmhouse charm with its soft neutral tones and functional elegance. At the center of the space, a marble-topped island stands as a focal point, surrounded by built-in wardrobes adorned with glass-paneled doors and warm wooden accents. Large windows open up to serene outdoor views, bringing a sense of calm to the room. Adding to the inviting atmosphere, a cozy seating nook with plush armchairs offers a perfect spot for relaxation. The natural wood flooring and patterned rugs set a warm foundation, while thoughtful details such as fresh greenery and subtle lighting enhance the timeless appeal of the space. Let me introduce you to this stunning walk-in closet, where Gothic architecture meets modern luxury. Vaulted ceilings with intricate details and arched windows framing mountain views set a refined tone. A serene, neutral palette enhances the space, while a cozy lounge area with tufted ottomans invites relaxation. Open shelving displays a curated wardrobe, complemented by lush greenery for natural warmth. Every detail, from plush textures to fine craftsmanship, blends old-world charm with contemporary sophistication. Let me take you inside this breathtaking walk-in closet, where modern luxury meets a celestial touch. At its heart, a stunning glass-domed ceiling offers mesmerizing views of the night sky, setting the stage for elegance. A chandelier, inspired by ice branches, casts an ethereal glow over glass-paneled wardrobes, showcasing a curated monochromatic collection. A plush white rug anchors a cozy seating area with tufted ottomans and cream-toned armchairs, while the neutral palette and warm lighting create a serene, sophisticated space. Let me show you this stunning walk-in closet, where modern luxury meets a nature-inspired design. A dramatic skylight and floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light and showcase lush forest views, seamlessly connecting the indoors with the outdoors. Sleek dark wood finishes and leather furniture set a sophisticated, masculine tone, complemented by minimalist decor. Glass-enclosed shelving neatly displays an organized wardrobe and curated accents, while a tufted leather ottoman anchors the cozy seating area. Overhead, a cascading golden chandelier adds a warm, elegant touch, completing this tranquil retreat. This luxury walk-in closet radiates glamorous femininity and vintage elegance, with blush tones and illuminated wardrobes, showcasing a curated collection of clothing and accessories. A tufted velvet bench on a plush pink rug anchors the space, adding comfort to the opulence. A detailed ceiling with a sparkling chandelier casts a warm glow, while fresh blooms and delicate decor enhance the romantic ambience. Mirrors amplify the light and luxury, creating a dreamy, sophisticated retreat that's both functional and beautiful. Discover the perfect harmony of elegance and tranquility in this walk-in closet, where minimalistic design integrates seamlessly with functional luxury. Sunlight pours through skylights, highlighting the light wood tones and neatly displayed clothing behind glass wardrobe doors. A sleek bench with a plush cushion invites relaxation, complemented by potted plants that add a touch of greenery. The neutral palette enhances the airy ambience, creating a serene retreat that balances style and practicality. Allow me to present this exquisite walk-in closet, a perfect blend of contemporary luxury and impeccable organization. Warm wood tones, glass panels, and soft lighting come together to create a sophisticated and inviting atmosphere. At the center, a textured wood and glass island doubles as a display and workspace, with plush ottomans for comfort. Above, a golden geometric chandelier adds opulence, creating a boutique-like space that blends style and functionality effortlessly.